Nice Saturday across South Florida today. High temperatures made it into the low 80s, actually 82 for West Palm, 81 in Fort Pierce, 79 for Vero Beach. And now we're down into the 60s for the Treasure Coast, still hovering in the 70s for the Palm Beaches. No rain out there right now except for offshore, pushing showers offshore with more of that offshore flow ahead of a cold front that's now pushing through the Panhandle just about past Tallahassee, and ahead of it, the rain from it moving into Jacksonville, St. Augustine, and starting to move into, say, Tampa, St. Pete in no time at all. In fact, by the morning, it will be approaching the Treasure Coast. So here's forecast. That front moves on through tomorrow, starting off with rain chances on the Treasure Coast in the morning, in the late morning, afternoon for the Palm Beaches, and then clearing the area by dinner time. A few showers, then we'll dry out and clear out. I think we'll still make it to 80 degrees or so, though, for the Palm Beaches, but the Treasure Coast, since you get the front first, you'll be stuck in the 70s. Cooler and less humid as high pressure moves in on Monday. We'll start off in the 50s. Chilly, but then end up into the middle 70s, still below average for this time of year. Beautiful weather, though, less humid. It's going to be gorgeous. A chilly start to the day on Tuesday, but then we start to warm up as high pressure moves offshore, picking up more of that return flow here. And really, the whole week looks absolutely beautiful with kind of a stagnant weather pattern for a few days until this next frontal system makes it here on Thanksgiving, and that doesn't look like a very strong one. So we get that dip in temperatures here for Monday and Tuesday, back up to above average into the 80s for Wednesday and Thursday, so a little bit of everything for everybody. Here's the temperatures tomorrow morning. 62 in Vero, 63 in Fort Pierce, 68 in West Palm, 69 in Boca, 67 in Wellington. High temperatures tomorrow, mainly the 80s for the Palm Beaches and in the 70s for the Treasure Coast, as the front and the clouds and the rain will get there first. So let's check that out here as we go hour by hour. Rain chances here, well, this evening is none, because we're not having a whole lot out there this evening. But tomorrow morning, here we go, 8:30 in the morning, already moving into the Treasure Coast. Late morning and early afternoon into the Palm Beaches. The Treasure Coast clears out, so you may see some sun by the mid-late afternoon hours. And then we see it finally clear the area by dinner time. Then we get the cooler air to move on in for Sunday night, Monday morning, temperatures dropping into the 50s. We still have Sebastian out there, still going here as a tropical storm, 65-mile-per-hour winds, and it'll race off towards Ireland or so by the beginning of the week, and that will be it as we wind down hurricane season. Boating forecast, real nice near shore. I wanted to point out, too, the next few high tides, we got the new moon on Tuesday, so the next few high tides are going to be extra high, so there's a coastal flood statement out for that for some minor coastal flooding. Beach forecast, a shower possible. You have a good beach afternoon for the Treasure Coast and a good beach morning for the Palm Beaches, so opposites there. So there's the front. Monday, Tuesday, beautiful. Thanksgiving looks nice, not a lot of rain with that next front. It just lowers the temperatures a bit for Friday.